Hey there, hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will show you how you can sort the variation of Shopify, like variants. Here is the size variants, and it's like starting from the big size like XL, L, M, S. So I will sort this like it should be S, M, L, then XL. So here is the product page. You have to click here and then drag this, capture and drag this fast, then save it, and then again take it fast, then take it fast. Here you can see, and now save it. So in this way you can drag and sort your size, and if you have color like color white, then black, you can follow the same process, yeah, and then save it. It will be sorted immediately. Here you can see it has been sorted. So thank you.